Toyota's CEO just announced 7 brand new models for 2027, and the lineup is so unexpected that even the most devoted Toyota followers never saw some of these coming. If you've been watching the automotive world play it safe lately and wondering if any major brand still has the courage to take real risks, Toyota just gave you a direct answer. Most people expect a new trim level or a mild refresh when an automaker holds a big announcement, but Toyota does things differently, so let's start the countdown. Number 7. Toyota Pixis K-Truck. Think about the last time a genuinely new vehicle category appeared in America. Not a refresh, not a new trim level, a completely different kind of machine. That moment is coming, and it's wearing Toyota badges. The Pixis K-Truck is going to do something no mainstream automaker has attempted: bring Japan's iconic K-Truck format directly to American buyers. These ultra-compact, ultra-capable workhorses have been hauling cargo across Japanese farms and city streets for decades. Now Toyota is betting that American buyers are ready for them. Many buyers who actually need a utility vehicle have been forced to choose between a massive, overpriced full-sizer and a lifestyle-focused compact like the Maverick that barely handles real work. The Pixis is filling that gap with a vehicle that prioritizes pure utility above everything else. Its tiny footprint is going to reach spaces no conventional truck can access: narrow farm lanes, tight construction zones, congested urban work sites. Payload figures are expected to genuinely surprise buyers who've only ever known full-size thinking. This isn't competing with the Maverick or the Tacoma. The Pixis is opening an entirely new market segment. But as impressive as a K-Truck sounds, Toyota has something even more capable waiting at number 6, a body-on-frame workhorse that small business owners are already talking about. Number 6. Toyota Hilux Champ. The Hilux Champ is a body-on-frame pickup with a completely different mission from anything else in the lineup, and it's the kind of truck that working professionals have been quietly asking for. Any contractor, delivery operator, or tradesperson knows the frustration of buying a modern pickup and discovering it wasn't really designed for work. Beds too short for lumber, modifications that void warranties the moment a custom body gets bolted on. The Hilux Champ is being built as a direct answer to every one of those complaints. It's going to be available in 2 real working bed lengths, 5.9 feet and 7.2 feet, with a chassis cab variant that gives businesses a factory-engineered blank canvas for custom bodies. Food vendors, utility companies, and landscaping operations. All of them are getting a platform specifically designed for upfitting, with reinforced mounting points and a properly optimized wheelbase. A hybrid powertrain option keeps fuel costs manageable for operators running serious daily mileage, and the body-on-frame construction means towing and payload ratings that unibody rivals simply cannot match. The Champ handles working professionals beautifully. But if capability is what you're after, wait until you hear what's next, because Toyota is bringing back one of the most beloved performance nameplates in its history. Number 5. Toyota Celica. Few automotive announcements generate the kind of reaction this one did. The Celica is coming back, not as a mild crossover wearing a famous badge, not as a distant concept with no timeline, as a proper sports car. Turbocharged manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, and 400 horsepower. Toyota's own executive vice president confirmed it publicly at the 2024 Rally Japan event. When directly asked whether the Celica was returning, the answer was direct: "We will make the Celica." For anyone who has spent years watching sports cars disappear from mainstream lineups, replaced by crossovers with sporty badges and disappointing driving dynamics, this announcement lands differently. A 400 horsepower Turbo 4 is going under the hood, paired with a proper manual gearbox. That 4-wheel drive system is the detail that's making this comeback genuinely special, reviving the all-wheel drive performance variant that defined the Celica's most celebrated era. Nothing has been stripped away in the name of modern compromise. The Celica is returning in its purest form, and that's a strong statement on its own. Number 4. Toyota Stout. 3 pickup trucks in a single announcement is extraordinary, but the Stout is filling a completely different space from both the Pixis and the Hilux Champ, and the segment it's targeting has been waiting for real competition for a long time. The Ford Maverick created a market almost by accident, but it quickly revealed a common frustration: rear passengers cramped into tight quarters, a bed almost too short to be useful, and a starting price that has been climbing steadily ever since. The Stout is being developed with every one of those pain points in mind. It's a unibody pickup riding on a significantly longer wheel wheelbase than its rivals. Rear seat passengers are getting noticeably more legroom than anything else in the class, and the cargo bed is expected to be longer than the Maverick's 4.5-foot unit without sacrificing cabin comfort. Early reports point toward a starting price around $25,000, putting direct pressure on Ford's current positioning. Add a hybrid powertrain capable of returning over 40 miles per gallon combined and Toyota's SafetySense 3.0 suite as standard equipment, and the value proposition becomes very difficult to argue with. 3 trucks down, 3 more models to go. And if you think the truck announcements were exciting, the next one is going to remind you why Toyota's sports car legacy runs much deeper than the Celica alone. Number 3. Toyota MR2. Gazoo Racing president Tomoya Takahashi has confirmed it directly. The MR2 is coming back, carrying forward the mid-engine layout that made the original such a celebrated driver's car. Powering it will be Toyota's brand new 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, the G20E, currently being developed and tested inside the GR Yaris M as a real-world proving ground. The options for accessible mid-engine sports cars have essentially collapsed in today's market. Enthusiasts who want genuine driving involvement, a car that responds, communicates, and rewards skill, have been left with very few realistic choices. The MR2 is being positioned to fill that void directly, and Toyota is developing it to be genuinely accessible in terms of pricing, not reserved for a narrow group of buyers. And if the MR2 sounds impressive, the next one will blow your mind. Number 2. Toyota GR GT. This one is different from every other model on this list because it has already been unveiled as a full production vehicle. Toyota debuted the GR GT at Woven City in Japan. It is not a concept. It's a road-legal supercar from Gazoo Racing, built on Toyota's first all-aluminum body frame with carbon fiber reinforced panels throughout. The powertrain pairs a newly developed 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an integrated electric motor. Someone who has watched Toyota build one credible performance product after another, the GR86, the GR Yaris, the Supra, and wondered when the company would take one final step into true supercar territory. The GR GT is that step. Curb weight is being targeted at 3,858 pounds or lower, with a 45 to 55 front-to-rear weight distribution engineered in from the very beginning. Brembo carbon disc brakes, bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, top speed targeting 199 miles per hour or higher. It will be sold through select Lexus dealers in the US and Canada, meeting Gazoo Racing's specific requirements. Exclusivity is going to be part of what you're buying, but the model holding the number 1 spot isn't exclusive at all. In fact, it's likely going to reach more people than every other model on this list. Number 1. Next generation Toyota Corolla. The next generation Corolla is arriving with a dramatically improved exterior and a cabin that finally closes the gap on more expensive rivals. Anyone who has sat in a current Corolla and felt the interior falling a step behind the competition, that experience is about to change significantly. Materials are improving, technology is advancing, and the road noise that current owners quietly tolerate is finally being properly addressed. SafetySense 3.0 is going to be standard across the entire lineup. Improved pedestrian detection, smoother adaptive cruise control, and more precise lane recognition are all included regardless of trim level. For millions of buyers who have relied on this nameplate for decades, the new generation isn't asking them to change their choice. It's simply making that choice significantly better than it has ever been. 7 models, 3 pickup trucks attacking segments nobody else is touching, 2 legendary sports car nameplates returning exactly the way fans always wanted them to, a record-breaking supercar that puts Toyota in a conversation it has never been part of before, and a Corolla redesign that is going to remind millions of buyers why this nameplate has outsold everything else on the planet for decades. What Toyota is building for 2027 isn't a product update. It's a complete statement about where the brand is heading. Whether you're a truck buyer, a sports car enthusiast, or simply someone shopping for a dependable daily driver, there is something in this lineup designed specifically with you in mind. The question isn't whether Toyota is serious about 2027. The question is which one of these 7 models is going to end up in your driveway. But don't think that Toyota is the only one here making big announcements. GM is making some impressive bold moves as well, and you can check out its upcoming models in our next video. From the Corvette SUV to the next generation Sierra powered by next generation V8 engines, there's so much going on in GM's kitchen.